Some more fun with the room. It's the next day now. We actually went down and had our breakfast. And we had to get downstairs coffee. Oh, couldn't make it in the room. They have a Keurig. So I'm looking at this thing and I'm like, I have to put water in this. And then I see back here, it says water. So my own stupidity, the problem is I don't, first of all, they're outlawing plastic cups. They're outlawing plastic everything. They're outlawing plastic bags. March 1st, New York State can't even have those anymore. K-cups, plastic. Don't outlaw that. No, no. How many people are getting their fucking shot of coffee every morning in a disposable fucking K-cup? These are the most wasteful, expensive fucking bullshits. Now, I've seen these before, never had a Keurig, don't want a Keurig. So the problem was I was overthinking the machine. I'm like, okay, I have to open this thing to put water in, and it's just not opening. And then I realized that it's Millennial, and you have to put the pod in and close it, and then it opens the thing for the water. Now, I'm not going to waste a pod because the coffee maker doesn't work, and that's what I wanted to show you. So we're going to make believe we've put a pod in. There's a piece missing in this. The piece in the bottom, or something that is supposed to puncture it or catch the coffee or something is not right. So you close it, okay? Now we have to put water in. So we'll pour that in. There we are. Okay. And now we'll close it. And now I'll hit the power button. There he goes. And I'll hit brew. Oh, it's not even working now. That's pretty nifty. Before it was. Let me see what the hell is going on. There, it got confused. So now everything's good. We'll hit brew. So it's heating, as it says, and we'll wait for it to do that. The whiff said I'm not millennial enough to use this thing. Essentially, she just called me an old fart. So anyway, while we're waiting for this thing, to heat up, any millennial would have already hired an Uber Eats to pick them up their McCafe and deliver it to their room in the hotel, because waiting 3 minutes for a Keurig to make a cup of coffee is just too long. Okay, do you see what's happening? Yeah, it's shitting everywhere. And for anybody who's going to tell me that I have to have a pod in there or a K-cup in there so it doesn't do this, no, because I tried it last night and it did exactly the same thing. The coffee maker is failed, and they're going to get me a new coffee maker because I didn't pay to have one that didn't work. So they're going to have to find another one. And then even at that, place cup. Oh my God, it's not even done. You know, I think I shut it off yesterday and I didn't wait. I wonder if it sings a little ditty when it's done. But I've wasted enough time on this thing. I'll get another coffee maker. Some other things I noticed. Remember how it said massage bar? Do you see the bumpities? It is a bumpy soap. It actually is a bumpy soap. That's pretty cool. It wears away in no time. One person uses it, the bumpities are gone. And these things. The gray plastic, the gray plastic, the gray plastic. I'll look at this one because I looked at it yesterday. Yeah, the faucet, you know, squirts water out of the thing. See? So, that's nice. But look. Made in China. So Jordan Yu will be poisoned just by going in this room because this plastic is made in China and it's going to quit the next time you put your hotel lotion on it. Yeah, real fucking smart. but it's this weird, thick, heavy plastic. So I thought that was interesting. Just that they picked such a style of plastic thing, and the whole tissue box is also, and that makes a nice screech sound on there. And the other thing is this vent. It sounds almost like there's air moving. Here, I got you on the extension piece here. I don't know if you can hear anything. I don't know if it's just a continuous suction system or what it is. And I'll see if I can get you a better shot of this. I can't really see it from the floor, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's either a sprinkler or a sensor, but I can't quite tell from here. So, normally I have my Monopod, but I said, you know, I'm going to be walking around up here and going in state capitol buildings, and I don't know. So, China sent me this because they fucked up and sent me not enough money back for one of the reviews. So this is a handy little monopod, but it also stands like that, and it has like a GoPro type mount like that, and you can turn it and position it any way you want. So this thing is really handy. I mean, I have the rest of my camera rig up here also. But this actually has been working out, and all the videos I've recorded so far were just with this. It's made in China. That's going to break the next time you use it. Okay, let's try it. Oh, didn't break. Oh, next time. No, didn't break. Next time. No, didn't break. Sorry. Just so Jordan Yu can have another heart attack, I also found that this alarm clock is pretty interesting in the way it sets. They made it super simple. It says right there, just press it and turn the dial. So we press it and it automatically starts at 6 a.m. and you just roll the dial to wherever you need. So we'll set that to 9:49. There we go. And it's set, and we'll just wait. It's a progressive alarm where it gets louder and louder. And just like that. Simple, easy. Also interesting, 3.5 amp, 60 hertz, 120 volt max combined. The planet didn't look like this yesterday. No, it didn't look like this yesterday. Yeah, it sort of snowed overnight, and we're not snowed in, but might be fun getting out of the parking lot. They left the storage room open. There's a roll-away bed and some sort of HVAC looking thing, maybe? Some LK water fountains. And they also have a laundricated, which you might want to see, which I think was down over here. Yes. Garbage. Lid lock. A Whirlpool commercial heavy duty series. I mean, that's all nice and good, but oh, no, total fail. And of course, yes, Wah, wah, wah. And they get $2 for a load of garbage. The dryers look old. They're Frigidairs. And I don't know anything more about them. That's interesting. That came off in my hand. Okay, weird. Same over here, $1.50 for that. And a snackle sheen. And that's really it. Oh, it takes Millennial credit cards because paying, carrying 75 cents, that's just too much. Oh, beg pardon. Does not accept any cash. Yet the machines take quarters. Let's see the damage. It's actually not that bad. Still precipitating slightly. Oh, that's running good. Jesus Christ, really?